That's right, babe. That's right, babe. Yeah. That's right, babe.
What's good to all my cousins? Period.
What's good?
Dang, it feel like forever. It's been forever. Just let me explain. I was busy. If you follow me on Instagram, then you know it was just my birthday week. So I was busy planning out my birthday. I was busy shopping, busy doing everything. Like, I was just too busy to post. It just feels like forever. Like, I feel like I fell off. I feel like I've lost a part of me. It's time to step my game up. So now I'm about to get back to it. We're here. We're back. We're here. Look, y'all tell I was sleeping good. I know my edges look like. That's okay, because I'm going to fix them at the end. How y'all been? Okay, let's talk about some stuff. Okay, so about the giveaway. That was the month of October's giveaway. I still have some hair that I need to send out to the last 2 winners. And then I have one more hair that I still could give out to somebody. I've just been too busy for that stuff. But I will not stop giving out hair to people. Every now and then I will be sending out hair to people just because I feel like giving it out, you know? I'm just not going to be doing it every single video how I used to. Like, I'm going to still be doing it, but not every single video. So yes, you can still win some hair. Period. I will be announcing when I'm going to start doing that again. Maybe my next video. Period. Today, I'm going to be doing something I've been wanting to do. I've been wanting to do this. I literally went and bought all the supplies I need. I'm still missing like 2 things, but it's okay. Mind you, I am not a pro. I do not know what I'm doing professionally. I'm not like, oh, she know how to do makeup. It's just like something I've been wanting to do. And practice makes perfect. Practice makes perfect. So I want to get into makeup just how I'm in hair, just how I'm in fashion. I want to do it all. So let's do it, period. And we just gonna see how this turns out. We're gonna see. Mind y'all, I did get a little bit of footage from the day of my birthday and like a day before. So I did get some footage for y'all for my birthday celebration. And I think I will be giving that to y'all soon. Maybe my next video will have the clips of it. But I didn't get it all, so it's just like a part of it. But anyways, let's get into this tutorial. This gonna be the best one out there, period. This ain't no boringness. This ain't no lameness. I hate watching makeup tutorials where all they do is just be like no, that's boring. My makeup tutorials would never be boring, because y'all know I'm not with the boringness. I'm not with the boringness. Where's my makeup bag? Okay, so bag of goodies we have. I've been stacking up. Look, it's overflowing. We just gonna go off the dome, period. We're gonna create something nice ourselves. I don't know, I'm gonna just go with the flow. Okay, so I think you're supposed to start off with the eyebrows first. Okay, so what I have for my eyebrows is this eyebrow pencil. It's this brow pencil by NYX, which I really regret getting because it's a pencil and I heard that the dipping brow stuff works better. So that's something I'm missing that I want to go get. So I think you're supposed to brush it down. So now we gonna fill in the bald spots, I guess. I'm gonna create like a line. Around my eyebrow. See, look, I done already messed up. I don't know how people be doing this. Ooh, okay. Okay, I think I'm doing good. Okay. Ooh, I feel like a pro. Now that we done with that part, just blending it in. Now they look real big and dark. Okay, so now is when you going with the concealer. I got some concealer by Maybelline. That's called, what's this? Tan. I got the same color concealer as my foundation. So that's terrible. So now I'm just use this brush, pointed slanted brush. I don't care about using the right brush. Whatever brush look like it's gonna work for me is what I'ma use. I don't care. These brushes are by Elf. Oh, I done messed up. Oh well. I'm doing good. I don't care. I don't know what this brush for, but I'm about to use it to blend. And when you blend, make sure you like do it like up. And when you go to the bottom, blend down. I think I look ashy. Spray some of this what is this? Some primer spray by NYX, because I heard theirs is good. Tastes terrible. So now here we go. I'm really good at blending. I'm super girly, so I just feel like this. I don't know. It's just. I feel like this is my thing. I feel like this is something I could be good at, basically. I'm taking somebody, man, today. Tan on my nose. It's like I don't know, I always get burned by the sun. So that's something I need to cover up for sure. I know it look kind of weird. That's because it's on my lips. Okay. I'm going to be using this palette. If you put some concealer on your eyes, on your eyelids, it helps the color come out brighter. I'm going to start off with this pink. So now for the outer, I'm going to do a darker one. Oh my gosh, what did I do? Okay, so that came out red. Let me show you the color I used. This is the color I used. I thought it was going to be like a darker, I don't know. I'm using this brush. Y'all see, I be having these weird brushes, but they be working. With the glitter eyes, I'm be using this eyeliner by CoverGirl. Now we gonna go in with some bronzer. Okay, so I got this bronzer by Coffee and Cocoa. This dark one. I'm gonna use this brush for my bronzer. What I like to do, sharpen it with some concealer.
What a coincidence! You see, our daughter has been acting crazy lately too, and naturally, we blame your.
Blush. Okay, so I had to put these eyelashes on off camera because I struggled too hard. I don't really like these eyelashes, but I don't care anymore at this point. I'm just ready to be done. Literally been doing this for an hour.
Has wandered onto this cruise with my best friend.
So that's it. That's my tutorial. I know y'all see such a difference. Like, I could really take somebody mad, period. I feel like I did a good job. I know this is my first time, so I know I didn't do some stuff right. I know I didn't use the right stuff. So don't be in the comments talking mess. Just congratulate me. Just give me, don't be in the comments talking mess. You know, just give me a little bit of props, like boost me up. Like, I'm gonna get better. But I feel like I did good for this time. Like, I look like a man taker. Yes, stay tuned. More videos, period. It's drip season. Yes, it's really the season. And we're taking over. Join the family by subscribing, liking, and all that good stuff. When you like it, it shows me that I should keep going, keep posting. So make sure you and stay tuned for more videos. It's drip season. Period.
That's right, babe. That's right, babe. Yeah. That's right, babe.